All right, so we're just gearing up to go inside this mine here. You can see that dot right there. If you guys don't have one of these, definitely a tool to get, so you don't have to carry around a tape measure. So we're probably looking at about 13 meters for the length of this adit. We can't see in there at all because we forgot our lights last time, so we're going to see if it turns or anything. We're going to pull out some samples, see what kind of mineralization we're seeing in there, and map the adit a bit. So let's head in. Okay, so we're looking at 12.5 meters to the end there. So we pulled a sample off the other day from here, and we could see quartz. Mineralization consists of minor sphalerite, chalcopyrite, and pyrite as your primary sulfide. Looks like a lot of your pyrite has been smeared or altered or sheared. So here's more mineralization right here from another sample we pulled off. Pretty heavy pyritization. So when you guys go in mines, this water mineralization can cause gases. Always bring a gas detector. So quartz everywhere. So your host rock looks like quartz sericite schist. You can see quartz there. Everything is just extremely oxidized. It's going to be difficult to find a decent sample. You can see which way your schists are running. Pyritization. Almost looks like you got some chlorite in the schists there. That looks like a nice vein, eh?
Sure is.
Looks pretty mineralized, actually. The whole thing looks like it's gonna fall. Yeah, you can see all that. I mean, it's mineralized, but not overly. It's very patchy for mineralization. I think this is going to come off if we want it to. Ooh, look over your head. All right, we're going to dodge some insects here. basically, we don't see much mineralization past where those bugs are. Most of the mineralization is confined to actually the front. And I'm not just saying that because the bugs are there. Okay, so we got a couple samples. Another little spot here with mineralization past the bugs. So you can see right here, basically solid mass of iron pyrite, and you have bloody chalcopyrite in there. We're going to try and get this chunk off right here for a sample. You can see the sulfides. It's actually a really, really good sample of solid mineral there. It's almost ready to come. Good thing I got my safety glasses on. 90% of that hit me in the face. This looks like a solid chunk here. All right, here we go. So that will be our second sample, and I think that will be it for sampling in here. We're going to go check out the dump a little bit more. All right, so here's that second sample we pulled off the wall. Heavy pyritization. Let's break her open, see what's inside. Okay. So basically what we're looking at is, I would say, a sample that contains about 90% mineral. Almost looks like you got some chert in there. So this is a nice solid chunk here. I think what we'll do is we'll take one of these as our sample. So what I can see, you have solid masses, stringers all throughout your schist, and you have quartz, a little bit of chert maybe, sericite schist. You have quartz veining with pyrite, chalcopyrite, and minor sphalerite, which is probably where your value is going to be in the quartz. We pulled 3 samples from inside the mine. Chalcopyrite and mostly pyrite. And this one here, our second sample, has some minor chalcopyrite. But mostly you're looking at iron pyrite. Massive sample. Here is sample number 3. You have schists attached to your quartz. Mineralization in your quartz consists of pyrite, chalcopyrite, sphalerite mineralization attached to the schist is primarily pyrite. That is our third sample. So now what we're going to do is look on the road below the dump and see if we can't find a nice sample or two. Some of the pyrite in the rocks look like it's been sheared or smeared in the rock, but look at this piece here. Massive, massive hunk of iron pyrite. It's got to be about 1 inch long. So here's what a lot of the dump samples look like. Quite mineralized. Most of what we're seeing is basically just disseminated mineral. Anyway, I think we have enough samples. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.